Hey, what's up guys? So a new DJI Pocket 4 leak just surfaced, and this one is actually pretty interesting because it shows what looks like a near final unit in real hands. The original video didn't stay online for long, but enough clips were recorded to give us a clearer look at the design. And honestly, this feels less like a rumor now and more like we're getting very close to launch. And as soon as that happens, I'll share a hands-on review for you guys, so subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Now, design-wise, nothing looks radically different from the Pocket 3, and at this stage, that's not surprising. DJI seems to be keeping the same vertical gimbal layout that already works really well. Compact, minimal, and built around quick grab-and-go shooting. You can see additional physical buttons on the grip, which suggests DJI is trying to reduce how often you need to tap through menus while filming. And if you've used previous Pocket cameras, you know that faster control can make a bigger difference than new specs on paper. But the detail that caught my attention is the LED light mounted near the camera module. It looks like it's attached to a small adjustable arm, meaning you can change the angle without adding extra accessories. And honestly, this feels like DJI leaning more into convenience, like quick indoor filming, fast vlogging setups, or situations where you just want a bit of fill light without carrying extra gear. Now, we still don't know if this light is fully integrated into the camera or part of a modular system. What do you think? Another small detail shown in the UI is what looks like super photo mode inside the photo settings. That's not entirely new for DJI, but if they're expanding it here, it could mean more automated processing happening behind the scenes, things like HDR or scene optimization, basically helping users get cleaner results without needing to tweak every setting manually. And that direction actually fits DJI's recent philosophy, making cameras easier to use rather than just more technical. I see this version of the Pocket 4 feels like a refinement product rather than a massive upgrade. There's also the possibility of a Pro model. We've seen hints that DJI might split the Pocket lineup into a standard version and a more advanced variant. So if DJI does release a Pocket 4 Pro later, that's probably where we'd see more dramatic changes like a dual camera setup. I talk about that in this video up here, but the fact that this standard unit looks polished with a finished interface and retail-ready design also suggests we're not far from an official announcement. Normally, when DJI leaks start showing real devices rather than concepts, the launch window tends to be close. So if you need a camera today, the Pocket 3 is still very relevant, since the Pocket 4 standard version looks like more of a refinement camera. I've also seen some interesting deals on the Pocket 3 recently. I'll leave a link below for you to check out. But if you're not in a rush, it might be worth waiting just a bit longer to see what DJI officially reveals. DJI seems to be pushing toward cameras that require less setup and fewer accessories, more grab and shoot, less building a rig around it. Anyway, I'm really curious what you think about this approach. Is this the kind of upgrade you were expecting, or are you holding out for something bigger like a Pro version? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.